Hello everybody! Today I will show you how to make a delicious chicken seaweed roll perfect for eat clean diet. In a mixing bowl, combine minced chicken, seaweed, and tofu. I use 2 to 3 sheets of seaweed, then cut them into small pieces using scissors. Mix everything well together. Then I will add salt, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, olive oil, sesame oil, and shallots. Mix everything well. In a hot pan, stir fry some carrots until cooked. I will add the carrots into the mixture and mix well. Let's roll the chicken. I cut a big sheet of seaweed into 3 smaller pieces and then roll 2 tablespoons of the mixture. In a hot pan, I'll brush some oil. Place the chicken rolls neatly on the pan. Cook them for a few minutes, then flip them. You can add a bit of oil, then cover the lid to steam them and make them cook more evenly and also faster. If you don't want to fry in a pan, you can cook in an oven or an air fryer. And there you have it. Super easy and delicious, but also really healthy chicken seaweed roll. Perfect for eat clean diet. Enjoy! Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye!